Stand up tonight. Stand up tonight. Stand up tonight. You gotta stand up tonight. I'm talking about life, all the wrongs and the rights, all the times I was shunned cause my skin wasn't white. I'm talking about fear when the cops come near. Don't wanna go to jail, don't wanna die here. I'm talking about pain, been called a lot of names I've been spit at before, I just wanna see a change. I'm talking about us cause the world treat us rough. Now I'm speaking out about it, guess what, I've seen enough. I'm standing up for my rights, for my life. I'm standing up. The world ain't right. I'm standing up. You ain't beating me tonight. I'm standing up. No more wrong versus right. What good is being here if I can't live free? What good is a world without equality? What good is a life if I can't find peace? Have you ever been treated like me? You would never go through what I did. I've been beat by them boys, left with broke ribs. Don't tell me that you know what it is like. Racial insults through my whole life. It's about time, yeah, we past dreams. Demand some respect, I ain't asking. Gotta stand up, let my voice ring. Feel like a ghost that wanna be king. For my rights, for my life, I'm standing up. The world ain't right, I'm standing up. You ain't beating me tonight, I'm standing up. No more wrong versus right. What good is being here if I can't live free? What good is the world without equality? What good is a life if I can't find peace? Have you ever been treated like me? I done heard all the shallow things said, all the times people treated me negative. I'm just trying to spread love to us all. Social injustice is a downfall. Together we can fix it, do y'all care? Let's stand up for peace everywhere. All up to us, it's in our hands. It's gonna take a nation to take a stand.
Rise up.
Time to stand up.
Rise up.
Get off your knees.
Rise up.
Time to fight.
Rise up.
Give it what you got.
Sacrifice.